I'll show you how to transfer ton from Bitget wallet to Bybit. To do this, first just go and open up Bitget wallet and then click on wallet in the bottom right. Now here you want to go and click on send and then just select ton. From here you need to enter a wallet address and an amount. For the wallet address, just go and open up Bybit and then on Bybit click on deposit and here just select deposit crypto. Then for the cryptocurrency you want to also select ton right here, so in the search bar just type in ton and click on done and then you will see it right here, so just select ton and then here for the chain type also select ton. After doing that you will see your wallet address and a tag or memo, so first just go and copy the wallet address and then right here go and paste in the wallet address where it says to. Then for the memo go back to Bybit and where it says tag or memo also go and copy that and then go back to Bitget wallet and paste it in where it says memo. Then for the amount you can just choose how much you want to do. I'll do 100% and then click on confirm in the bottom. That will get you to this overview to make sure that it is correct, and you can also see the fees. So if you want to transfer it, then just go and click confirm and now the transaction has been approved and it's on its way, and you can see the verification time right now is on average 3 minutes. So then click OK, and now I'll just wait for it to show up in my Bybit wallet so that you know it actually works. So for me it took about 4 minutes and now as you can see it has showed up right here. Now if you go to your assets and then funding you will find it, so you can see for me I have the 2.6 ton right here. So that's how to transfer ton from Bitget wallet to Bybit. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.